Namaste students, I welcome all of you to the RSV group of channels. In my earlier video, we have discussed about a 2 by 2 determinant with the solution of simultaneous equations. Here are the case of three variables. Now you can see on the board here x plus 2y plus z is equals to 7, x plus 3z equals to 11 and 2x minus 3y is equals to 1. Here are three variables that is x, y and z. Now what is A? The coefficient matrix of A. I have already told you that the coefficient matrix of variables is called matrix A. That is 1, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 1. Here the coefficient of x is 1, but we have no value of y. So we can write over here value of the y is 0. Now the coefficient of z is 3, similarly 2, minus 3 or 0. What is x? The variable matrix of x is called x. Here are three variables x, y and z. Now what is b? The constant of right hand side equation are called 7, 11, 1 is called the matrix B. As I told you that at first we have to find the value of the determinant A. Here, what is the value of determinant A? We can expand by the first row, here y, 1. By deleting that row and that column, we get 0 plus 9. Similarly, from 2, here the value of the determinant sign is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is minus 2, and by deleting that row and that column, similarly we can find the value of the determinant is equals to 18. We can find the value of the determinant A is equals to 18, which is not equals to 0. You can see on the board which is not equals to 0. That means this equation has unique solution. Now we have to find the cofactors. The C11 is 9, C12 is 6, C13 is equals to minus 3. In my earlier video, I have already told you that how can we find the cofactors of a matrix. So here I can write over here C21 is equals to minus 3. By deleting second row and first column, we get the value of C21 is equals to minus 3. Similarly, C22 minus 2, C23 is equals to 7. Now what is adjoint A? The transpose of a coefficient matrix is called adjoint. Here 9, 6 minus 3, minus 3 minus 2, 7, 6 minus 2 minus 2. By transpose means interchange row into a column. 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, 7, minus 2. By transpose mean we interchange the row into a column. As you know, what is matrix method? X is equals to A inverse B. In my earlier video, you know that A inverse is equals to 1 over determinant A into adjoint A into B. X, Y, Z is equals to, we get the value of the determinant A is equals to 18, adjoint A here and B. Now you have to multiply these matrices in that order. You have to multiply row by column. After that you get, by solving these two matrices, we get 36, 18, 54. Now divide the value of 18. We get 2, 1, 3. You know that if two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are equal. Therefore, x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 and z equals to 3 is our required solution. But I have already told you that after getting the value of x, y and z, put the values of x, y, z in any one of the equation and you should try to check whether they are satisfied or not. If they satisfy, then your answer will be correct. Thank you for watching my video.